Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, March 18th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. Over the last 24 hours, we've seen very little movement in the cryptocurrency markets. It's still trading sideways, still bouncing up and down at around that 5,200 to 5,500 mark. For Bitcoin, obviously, which is what we're going to start off with today, Bitcoin is at $5,273 flat. This is a change of only 0.3% from yesterday. Ethereum is at $115.80, which is down 1.2% from yesterday. Dash, however, is on a rise, up 5% from yesterday at $48.22. And Litecoin is at $33.85, down 3.14% from yesterday. Now, if we jump in the computer and take a little bit of a closer look at Bitcoin specifically, we can see this huge drop that we had down to its low point below $4,000. Then it shot back up to just over 5,500, started trading sideways, having the market confidence come back. We saw another little dip to about 4,400, but that only lasted for just a few seconds. And then it started to go back up. So we're seeing this trend of day traders making market moves, but overall market confidence is back and it is still trading sideways since Friday the 13th. So I'd give it just a little while longer and we should see Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies recoup really well back to the point that they were 11 days ago. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video.